let's get started, Musa.
Yeah.
Oh, your apron came off. Go fix it from grandma.
I'm ready for
Grandma? I'm eating them.
Musa, you're not supposed to be eating chocolate chips. You already ate so many of them. You're supposed to be putting them in the cookies.
I'm gonna put them in a cookie later.
Okay, first you have to eat. Okay. All right. Let's get started, Musa. So, what do you need? You need 1 stick of butter,
Butter?
unsalted butter. Okay.
Butter.
And start mixing.
Uh-huh.
Start breaking your butter. Good. Good job.
Let's go for this. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, now you add
Hello.
half cup of sugar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
Half cup of brown sugar. And
Brown
mix it.
sugar. I thought that was cookie juice. I thought that was
Cookie crumbs?
yeah.
No, that's brown sugar. Okay, you need to mix it really well. Round, round, round. Yes. Good job. Good job.
I still
Oh, you spilled some.
yeah. I know.
It's okay.
Oh, I spilled some more. I'm done mixing it. I'm done mixing it.
No, you still have to mix.
Here. It's still
How are
messy.
you doing, Musa? Are you almost done mixing?
No.
I think it looks good. Now we can add the dry ingredients, okay?
Right, please. Which one is it?
I'll show you. Okay, so now we are going to add 1 and 1/4 cup of flour. Okay, we make sure we have to sift it, okay, before you add. What's your secret ingredient, Musa? 1 tablespoon of cornstarch.
Oh, church.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Baking soda.
Actually, no, it's half teaspoon of baking soda. not
Pour
1
it.
teaspoon.
Now, can I do it?
And half teaspoon of salt.
Salt. That's
Okay,
mix.
so what was the dry ingredients? 1 and 1/4 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, so I'm going to help you here, okay?
Oh, like raining sugar. Like that.
Now you can mix.
Mix?
Want to mix?
Oh, yeah. It feels so good.
Now be careful, okay?
This yogurt feels so good. Do again. Be careful.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's turning around.
Yeah.
It's turning around.
Great job,
a
Musa.
bit. Oh, it turned around a little bit.
Do you like cooking?
Yeah.
You like baking?
Yeah.
What do you like? What do you enjoy the most, cooking or baking?
Bacon and cooking.
Oh, okay.
Let's go like this. Tap it.
Mm-hmm. The
Yes.
cookie dough is all.
Then I'll
Keep mixing. Keep mixing. A little bit more to go. Looks good though. A little bit more. No, not this way, Musa. I showed you how to do it. Round, round, round.
Oh. Now. Wait.
Okay, looks pretty good. What do we need to add now? Your favorite.
Yes, my favorite.
Chocolate chip. You want to add all of that into the dough?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay.
You can pick up this whole thing and add all of it.
Wait,
And how many cups are those? 1.5.
1.5 cup. Okay.
And you ate a little bit, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna like this.
Add. Good job, Musa.
Oh yeah.
What else do you need to add?
Um,
Pecans?
pecans. I don't like
Or
pecans.
walnuts. I think that's walnuts.
Walnuts? Oh, we need to have walnuts.
Half cup of walnuts.
Walnuts.
Or pecans. Yay. Okay, mix.
A little bit. Mix. Oh, it's so heavy.
So heavy now.
It was heavy before.
Is your dough ready now, Musa? I
Yeah.
think so, right? Looks really good.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You have to tap it now.
No, you have to make into...
Wait. Cookies.
Yes. That's got it.
So how? We can put it
Okay.
like this.
So what are we doing now, Musa?
Put this. Put this.
We are going to put it in the fridge for how long?
1 minute.
No. Wrong.
2 minutes.
No.
3 minutes.
No. 1 hour.
Now?
Okay. What? Are you sad? Do you really want to eat them?
No. I put it.
Okay.
I like this.
Alright, let's put it in the fridge for an hour and then we will start baking them, okay? Deal?
Deal.
Okay. Okay, Musa, I think your cookies are ready to go into the oven for baking. Can you hold one and see how it is? Hold it. It's not sticky anymore. It's hard, right? Look, it's hard. So that's why we need to refrigerate it. Yeah, it is cold. That's why we need to refrigerate it for 1 hour so they bake really good. Okay, so we are going to bake probably 8 cookies at a time, or we can bake in 2 baking trays. Okay,
Mama.
Musa, ready? Are you tired? You want to bake too, some Hadi? Okay, let's put the cookies in the oven.
Right?
Musa, do you want to put them in the oven or do you want some help? It is ready. We need to now bake it for how long? Do you know how long we need to bake it, Musa? 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. 325 Fahrenheit. Okay, do you want to put them in the oven or do you need some help? Do you want to do it? Okay, go ahead and do it. It is really hot. So we refrigerated this for an hour. Musa, do you want to show them how it is, the dough? It is hard.
I can put really safe.
And Musa, are the cookies ready?
Yeah.
Ooh, wow. Okay, what are we doing now?
Eating the cookies with milk.
Now, right now, they're still very hot.
Yeah.
Let's place them on the rack for them to cool down, okay?
Yeah.
Do you want to help?
And you can put a tissue too. And we need to put that tissue to cool it down too.
Okay.
So
Okay,
and we
so
need to put
so Musa, this is still hot, don't? Musa, are you going to try the cookie? No, they're not warm. I mean, they're not hot. They're a little bit warm. Nadal, you can try one.
It's so hot. It's hot. Good.
You want to break it in half?
Now I'm trying to know. We can't. We need to break it.
Oh yeah. So look at that. They are very crunchy from outside and inside they're so soft.
I can press them. Not break them. Can you help me? Break them? Oh, so hot. Bye-bye. What? What's funny? What's funny? Bunny. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Look here and say bye. I know you love your cookies, but you need to say it properly. Look here.
Bye-bye.
Oh, bye.